What's up YouTube, this is MAiC's from infactplaysgames. Welcome to another episode on this Tuesday. First, I want to say thank you for all the feedback and support. We are very happy about that. And as you might know, we've been at the Gamescom last week. It was a very busy week. We were basically working 24/7, preparing, shooting and editing the show just to get it online on Sunday evening, like every episode of Direktstart. And I also wanted to say that, okay, I know my English is not perfect, and when I watch the videos I laugh myself because of the accent. I basically sometimes I feel like this little boy on YouTube.
You could do so.
Yeah. So okay, but I'm doing my best. Okay, as we just got new viewers from Germany, which makes us also really happy. It's very motivating. So if you have some ideas, just leave us a comment. We always appreciate the feedback we receive from you guys. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. We're gonna do a let's play today. So I'm doing my live comment on Limbo. Limbo is a game. It's about 5 years old now. I think it's developed by Playdead Studios in the year 2010. It's a very cool game, very cool concept, and let's jump right into it. So basically the story about the game is that you're a boy looking for your sister in this limbo world. It's basically a forest. The concept's very cool, I think. This is a black and white style design and I really like it. It's about 5 years old now, as I just said, and it was published by the Microsoft Game Studios, which basically means that it was on Xbox first, Xbox 360 in the year 2010. A year after, Playdead Studios published it on PS3 and PC. And it was a huge success, this game. If you haven't played it yet, it's definitely something to look out for. It's a very simple game. The main idea comes from Arne Jensen, who's now, I think he's now the director of Playdead Studios. It's a Danish game development team. They're from Denmark. And I think you just see now that it looks really cool. I really enjoyed the game when I was playing it 5 years ago. And now it is free for Plus members on the PS4, which made me play the game again. I'm just gonna play a little bit. I have to be careful. There's traps and holes you can jump into. Looks beautiful to me. I think this black and white style is a very cool concept. I like that. At first I was thinking about doing a bigger game, you know, a game that takes longer to play. But as I said, we've been very busy, so I decided to play Limbo. So you're just this little guy, and you have to find out how to get through the woods. I can't remember anything. I'm not a huge fan of detailed reviews, you know, because if you're watching a review just because you're thinking of buying a game, and then you're being told how long the game takes, you're being told what different items or abilities you can unlock. There's no more surprise, okay? I like surprises. I like when I play a game that I don't know how long it takes, that I don't know that I'm almost done or not, and I don't want to know what I can unlock. It's kind of destroys the surprise effect when you play it. And yeah, so basically that's why I decided to do a let's play. So as you can see, you have all those little spots where you actually at first you don't know how to proceed, you don't know what happens, or you don't know how to move on, and basically have to find that out. Which I like games like that, like games like Swapper, great, always enjoyed it. The dying scenes are horrible. This little boy, when you see him die, when you walk into a trap, he's gonna kill me in a horrible way, I think. I'm just gonna show it to you. Now that's metal, man. And now I think you have to make the spider step into the ground so it might fall off the tree. That's my first guess now. See, okay, it moves. Make him. Just make him trying to kill me a second time, and now it's gonna fall off. Jump over it, and now make him step the trap. Again, I'm sorry for my English. I try, okay? I try. Just that's it, you bastard. Oh, okay. Again. Whoa. Come on. Now move. Oh, it's huge. This little boy is really tough. I would see a spider, like 9 feet high spider, I would possibly just pee myself and poo my pants. Okay, there's not other spider stuff. I guess now. Okay, move slowly. I guess there's a spider coming right now. Oh, I'm stuck. Stuck. I'm stuck. Help! 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 No, he's gonna eat me. It's really creepy, this. And I'm dead. Oh, he's still living. He's still living. Oh my god, this is horrible. Okay, it's Peggy 16 or 18. Peggy 16? Okay. I can move on. Okay, I thought that the spider's leg just went straight to my neck, through my neck, but I guess not. I'm gonna proceed like no! Yeah, okay, I knew it. I pressed the button, you've seen it. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Up. Now, I'm just gonna let this rock roll. Let the rock roll. There you go. That was easy. After dying like 3 times. And I'm dead again. I knew it. I knew something was wrong. So basically you have to be careful. Okay, as you might see. There's a spider again. Okay, I'm free. I'm dead? Am I dead? No, I'm not. Oh, I got this little... Still got some web on my head. My god, this is horrible. Look at that. I think it's a puppet, it's a trap. I think it's like, it's not a real, it's not my sister. That's all I care for. So yeah, okay. Could have seen that coming. It's really quiet, no music at all. I like that. I like the game. It's fun to play. It's not like a game where you constantly have to be in action. You just it's really relaxing. I like that. Comes another trap, I guess. No? Yeah. Okay. Should have seen that coming too. I'm gonna die like 1,000,000 times when I play this. Yeah, okay, thank you. Now. Up. Easy. There's music come. Moving on. Another reason I decided to pick up this game is that the game Inside will be released second half this year. It was delayed. It was actually planned for first half 2015, but as they still had a lot of work to do, as they found bugs, and I don't know the actual reason, but they had to delay the release. I think Inside is also, it's not Limbo 2, but it's also a 2D side-scrolling game, and you also are playing a little boy. It's as dark as Limbo. Inside, it's a really cool trailer. If you want to see the trailer, check out the link below. It's also as dark as Limbo. You'll also be playing in the character of a little boy. I don't know about the story yet, but it looks very interesting, and it makes me feel like playing this game again. And as it is free for PS4 Plus members. Can you scream, Mr. Spider? Yes, you can! Oh no! So, okay. He's got another body on his leg. Okay, now we have to do it fast because he's coming right after us. Okay, Okay, now we have to think fast. Which is not my... Oh, okay. Go on, yeah. Okay. No. There you go. I don't like spiders too much, by the way. I'm not scared of them, but and I always try to catch them and release them outside, but as soon as they move fast towards me, sorry, but that's a death sentence. Usually my first reflex would be like, you know, I think you know that reflex. So this is Limbo. I think you get the impression of the game, and if you like... Okay, what's that? Oh, poor you. You can't... Almost dead, but... You're trying to kill me after I was trying to help? Bastard. How do you like that? Huh? I'm gonna build myself a bridge with that. No. Can I? I think I have to make him move towards the... Come on. Come on. Yeah. You know where you are? Huh? In the jungle, baby. You know where you are? I'm just gonna take the spider's body and fill up the hole just to see. Oh man, it's disgusting. Okay, this is Limbo. If you like what you saw, go ahead and download it. If you're a PS4 member, it's free for this month, so definitely worth a shot. The price on Xbox 360 and Xbox One is, I think it's $9.99. Definitely worth it. The game looks fantastic, it feels good, and the developer team is a hard-working team with great ideas, and I think it's always worth to support that. I think that's it for today's episode, and I'm gonna proceed playing the game, finish the game live on Twitch in the next few days. Just keep an eye on a Twitter account or a Facebook account. I'm gonna post and tweet about it when I'm gonna be live, and I hope you guys join me finishing this awesome game. And yeah, just gonna say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to our channel if you want to. We'd be really happy about that. And give us some comments, give us some feedback. We always appreciate it. See you next time, next Tuesday. Or if you watch the episode of Trickstart on Sunday, we'll see you right then. So, bye bye, and thanks for watching.